To compare the effectiveness of Perplexity, ChatGPT-4 Claude, and Grok 3 in analyzing and discriminatory reasoning, we need to focus on their ability to break down complex problems, evaluate evidence, distinguish between relevant and irrelevant information, and provide logical, unbiased conclusions. Here's an assessment based on their known strengths as of April 3, 2025. Perplexity excels at research-driven tasks, leveraging real-time web data and citations to ground its responses in verifiable sources. It's designed as an answer engine, prioritizing factual accuracy and structured summaries over speculative reasoning. Its deep research feature can process large datasets quickly, making it effective for analyzing broad topics. Perplexity's ability to filter and cite sources suggests strong discrimination between credible and less reliable information. However, its reasoning depth is limited compared to models optimized for step-by-step logic, as it leans heavily on synthesis rather than independent deduction. Best for scenarios requiring evidence-based analysis with clear source attribution, like academic research or fact-checking. Weaknesses: it may lack the nuanced multi-step reasoning needed for abstract or hypothetical problems, as it's less focused on generating original logical chains. ChatGPT-4, developed by OpenAI, is a versatile conversational AI with strong general-purpose reasoning capabilities. It can handle complex problem-solving, creative tasks, and structured analysis, often breaking down problems into logical steps. Its training on vast datasets gives it a broad knowledge base, and updates like real-time web browsing enhance its analytical scope. ChatGPT-4 is adept at distinguishing relevant details in well-defined prompts, but can sometimes overgeneralize or include extraneous information if not guided precisely. It's less prone to bias than earlier models, but may still reflect subtle training data influences. Best for general-purpose analysis and reasoning, especially when speed and adaptability across diverse topics are needed. Weaknesses: it may not always show its reasoning process explicitly unless prompted, and its accuracy can falter on highly specialized or cutting-edge topics without real-time data. Developed by Anthropic, Claude is renowned for its logical reasoning and structured thought, often outperforming peers in tasks requiring clarity and minimal hallucination. Its large context window, up to 200,000 tokens, allows it to analyze extensive inputs, making it ideal for deep, detailed breakdowns. Features like step-by-step reasoning enhance its transparency. Claude excels at filtering out irrelevant details and focusing on core issues, thanks to its design emphasis on safety and interpretability. It's less likely to speculate or deviate from evidence, making it highly effective for precise, unbiased analysis. Best for complex, long-form analysis where transparency and logical rigor are critical, such as legal or technical evaluations. However, it does lack real-time web access, so its reasoning is bounded by its training data up to late 2024, potentially missing the latest developments. Built by xAI, Grok 3 is optimized for advanced reasoning, particularly in math, science, and coding, with benchmark scores like 95.8% on AME 2024 and 84.6% on GPQA. Features like Think Mode and Deep Search allow it to show step-by-step reasoning and integrate real-time data from X and the web, enhancing its analytical depth. Grok 3's ability to prioritize logical flow and real-time information suggests strong discrimination skills. Its reasoning slider can adjust focus, though it may occasionally prioritize coherence over strict factual accuracy, risking minor hallucinations. Best for dynamic, real-time analysis and reasoning, especially in technical or rapidly evolving fields. Weaknesses: its reliance on X data might introduce noise or bias, and it's less proven in non-technical domains compared to ChatGPT or Claude. Analytical effectiveness. Grok 3 leads in technical and real-time analysis, thanks to its high benchmark performance and deep search feature. Claude shines in deep, structured analysis of static, complex inputs with unmatched transparency. ChatGPT-4 offers a balanced, adaptable approach, excelling in general-purpose tasks. Perplexity is best for research-heavy analysis, but trails in independent reasoning depth. Discriminatory reasoning. Claude is the strongest at filtering and focusing on relevant details with minimal bias. Grok 3 follows closely, aided by real-time data, though it may overemphasize coherence. ChatGPT-4 is solid but less precise than Claude or Grok 3 in niche cases. Perplexity excels at source-based discrimination but lacks the same logical finesse. Best model. If analyzing and discriminatory reasoning prioritizes logical rigor and transparency, for example, breaking down arguments or technical problems, Claude is the top choice due to its clarity and focus. If it emphasizes real-time technical analysis like current trends or STEM reasoning, Grok 3 takes the lead with its advanced capabilities and live data integration. For general versatility, ChatGPT-4 remains a strong contender. Perplexity is best reserved for research-driven tasks rather than pure reasoning. Ultimately, Claude edges out slightly for pure discriminatory reasoning due to its precision and reliability, while Grok 3 is the frontrunner for dynamic, real-world analysis as of April 3, 2025. Your specific use case, technical versus general, real-time versus static, will determine the ideal pick.